Hello, and welcome to our virtual open house. My name is Sherry Laseco. I'm a member of the mathematics department here at Carmel High School, and I'm also an instructional coach assisting teachers here with professional development. Today, for our Algebra Lab class, we're going to look at what is the curriculum, the structure of our Algebra Lab, what is expected from the class, how the grade is determined, and how you can contact the teacher. So, how you can contact me. So, looking at what is the curriculum, algebra class is designed to reinforce skills that are learned in the student's 90-minute algebra class. And so, therefore, you will see that our concepts that we are covering here follow the concepts of the Algebra 1 curriculum. Algebra Lab is structured a little bit differently than a traditional 90-minute class. In our 90 minutes, students spend 45 minutes with myself, the algebra teacher. Within that 45 minutes, we break into two groups. One group starts with Math Excel, which is a program that has a study plan, that has practice problems, and can be individualized for students' individual needs. And then the other group starts as a small group with me when we are working together, reinforcing some of the skills learned in their algebra class. After about 20 minutes, we switch groups, and students that were in Math Excel come to me. Students that were in the small group go to Math Excel. And so they're with me for 45 minutes, and then the other 45 minutes of the 90-minute block, they go to their study hall teacher. The expectations of the class are pretty simple. I ask them to bring with them what they normally bring to algebra class. If lab class supports algebra class, that just makes sense that they have all their algebra supplies, so that if they have a question over their notes from the previous class or the homework assignment that they're working on, that they have that material so that they can get that answered. And I asked them to bring their Chromebook because they're working on the Math Excel program during part of that time as well. And then I just asked them to be respectful, to be responsible for their own behaviors. And lab is a class that you get out of it what you put into it. So I asked them to be an active participant. Come to me with questions. I'm happy to answer them. Since this is a class that focuses on the student's progress, you'll see that the grade is determined by the effort that they put in during their practice. So 90% of their overall grade is the practice that they do. And the majority of that practice does come from our Math Excel program. The other part of their grade comes from accuracy. So that's more of, small quizzes or assessments. This is not a class that you will see a lot of grades in Power School for. You'll see that there will be 2 grades for every unit, a practice grade and an accuracy grade. Now, at any point that you would like to know where your student's progress is in Math Excel, you can ask them to go to Canvas and go into our lab course. Right in the middle, they click on their Math Excel and they sign in, and you can look at and see where they are in the unit and how successful that they have been. If you ever need to contact me, the best way to do it is through email, just because I'm a teacher that moves rooms. So if you call my extension, sometimes I'm there at the beginning of the day and not there until either the end of the day or the morning of the next day. So email or Canvas message is the best if you would like for me to quickly get back to you. Well, I'm looking forward to working with you and your student this year, so that they can have success in their algebra class. I hope you have a good evening.